Okay, hi everyone, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in the Flutter Stateful widgets. Okay, widgets, you are beginning to weather up to like this login screen or even a shopping cart. At some points you app will be need to remember something you like user input to get a toggle switch or them changes. That is where stateful widgets come in. As you know, the last previous video about the weather app, so you can see it again. Okay, let's answer for a question. What is a stateful widget? Stateful widget is a widget that can change over time. For example, and when it does, it can rebuild itself and then with a new information. Okay. For example, imagine you have a counter on your screen. Every time you press a button, the number is increased. Yes, regular widgets called the stateless widgets cannot do that, but stateful widgets can because it holds data that can change. In our the last video was like the stateless widgets. So as you can see here, we use there is stateless widgets, but the stateless widgets, as you know, when we are run this when we are debugging them with the Chrome, we can't see because of the phone is when we click the button, the number is increases. Okay, how does it work when you create a stateful widget? Flutter splits into two parts, like a StatefulWidgets class. This is a configuration like a blueprint. Also the state class, as you know, there is, you can see. Okay. The stateless class the holds mutable states, the actual data, and there is where control changes. Okay, this were always created together, so don't change. This another things. Let's write a code. Okay. Here we don't need sounds, just like this kind of any codes. Let's write only dot plus my counter extends stateful extends stateful widget const my counter brackets, curly brackets, super.k. The brackets is post. Here we need override state element. I need here stateful, not stateful, the state element. Okay, there is a mistake. Let's create state. Here is my counter. This and create state brackets. this, and here we need to write my counter state. Yes, my counter state. Okay, let's open the code from here. I will give you code for my telegram. If there is, I can find, or do I need to write the code? Okay, let's find the code here. Get the code. Open.
İyi oldu.
Sağ. Yeah. Plus my counter state expense state my counter. Here we need to write the int. Okay, it's open. Let's take them. Command C. In a Mac, Command C. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, the reason we have the so-called. Let's explain the code. There is a my counter widget in a pattern widgets. My counter state, like for this one. This one is a inner state where the actual counter variable lives. Every time the user clicks the button that is called set state. Yes, StatefulWidget, and there is the tells Flutter, hey, I changed something, please in UI, relay back the UI. The building methods are run again, and the new counter is shown that is very light white. Counter is now shown. This is a very light wine process in Flutter. Only this widget strip that gets rebuilt. Okay, let's see it. Let's the bug. As you can see here, we have Chrome. Okay, when to use StatefulWidgets with this StatelessWidgets. What is it? We use StatelessWidgets when you don't need to store any data that is changed. For example, a statistics welcome screen logo on a heading, and the StatefulWidgets, we need to remember values that might change. For example, a form with user input, a switch or checkbox, a loading sniper, spinner, the navigation state, for example, then told in light dark mode, like this. Common real life use, you take a real life UI examples. You might recognize the login screen where the button enables, disables the based on the email failed, that is stateful. A weather app that's changed the icon based by a day, night. That's also StatefulWidget, also the stateful. And the dark mode toggles, which you guess it's stateful. Yes. As you can see, as far as I know, the last video was about this, and we can use StatefulWidget or also with the. Okay, let's answer for the question why State is important. One of the most misused method things for beginners is when and why to use the StatesState. state. Yes. Without calling state, Flutter won't know that something changed is for you updated. Our states, our screen won't be updated. Yes. There is a things about them. Okay. So next time you need your app to change based on users' action. Search for stateful widgets. It's a simple, powerful, and absolutely essential and as a Flutter development. Thank you for your attention. As you can see, if you need, I can show you my example, run and debug. I here need to put it. Why here is I need only from. Okay, if you really need it, I can show you about the Flutter project. There we have the material app. Okay, Stateful, yes. You can see this video. For example, my code should comes for this this kind of like this. Okay, I put it here. Quality. Please run StatefulWidget.
Придумать имя для нашего класса,
Oh, yeah.
а затем унаследоваться от Stateful.
Yes, here.
Отлично, подытожу. StatefulWidget создается в два этапа. Первым этапом нам необходимо StatefulWidget создается в два этапа. Первым этапом нам необходимо придумать имя для нашего класса, а затем унаследоваться от StatefulWidget.
Yes.
И далее реализовать и переопределить метод createState, который вызывает объекты.
Okay. Okay, in my project there is also the class counter and here is the state counter. Here I give the class
Причем
my
метод build
counter
может
state.
вызывать множество раз, в отличие от StatelessWidget. Жизненный цикл.
For example, like this. Okay, so that's it for now. So bye.